Hello guys, review Samsung Galaxy A06, this version 4GB memory and 64GB internal memory, blue color, open box and look completion. We don't have completion in this device, we have only device and Type-C to Type-C cable and key for SIM slot in completion. Okay, double camera, light blue color, plastic, and display 6.7 inch. Turn on device. We have PLS LCD display. Open settings. About phone. One UI 6.1, Android 14, display 60 Hz, Android 14, and open tests. Geekbench 6. We have CPU MediaTek Helio G85 and GPU Mali G52. Results, single core score, multi-core score, and look onto the benchmark results. Okay, close this. PUBG Mobile works on the medium graphic level, and now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.